Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add JotForm lead data to Encharge CRM automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So in this particular automation we are using two software applications. The first one is JotForm, which is a form building software application. So in place of JotForm we can also use Google Forms, Paperform, Typeform or any other form building software application. And the second application we are using is Encharge, which is a CRM software application. So in place of Encharge, we can also use HubSpot CRM, Zoho CRM, Insightly CRM or any other CRM software application. Now let's take an example that you are a business owner and you are using JotForm to capture the leads. Now you want that whenever any of the customer fills this particular JotForm, automatically the details of the customer should be added to your Encharge CRM account so that you can use those contact details in the future for the references, or even if you want to create the customer follow-ups, or even if you want to contact to the customer for your offers and promotions. So the idea here is whenever the response is received, automatically a contact should be added. But for that we need to create a connection between both these software applications. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating JotForm with Encharge automatically. The best part here is, it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using the details of the customer, automatically a contact will be created into your Encharge CRM account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between JotForm and Encharge using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option, and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as JotForm to Encharge Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add JotForm leads data to Encharge CRM, and that too automatically. So open this trigger window. And here in the choose application, let us find JotForm. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions are mentioned. So let us read the instructions. Open your form in your form builder and click on the settings tab. Go to the integrations, search for webhook and paste the above URL in the add webhook field. So let's copy the webhook URL from here. Let's go to the form. So this is my JotForm account where I have created some forms over here. Here we are going to use this basic form, that is the contact form, where I have just 0 submissions over here. So I'm just going to open this form by clicking on this edit form option. Now here I have taken the basic fields like first name, last name, email address and phone number of the customer. So if you want to add some more elements, by clicking on this plus sign add form element, you can add the fields as per your requirement. Now we have to set up the integration between this particular JotForm and Pabbly Connect, so that whenever this form is filled, automatically Pabbly Connect can capture the data. For that, come to the settings tab. Here we can find the integrations option. Click on it. And here we have to search for webhooks. Okay, and let's select webhook from here. Now it is asking to add a webhook. So we have to paste the same webhook URL over here, which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay. So I think I haven't removed that HTTPS. Yes, I'm just removing this extra one. Okay, and let's click on complete integration. And here we can see that our integration is ready. Let's click on finish. Okay, so the webhook has been set on JotForm. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission on the name of a customer. So let's open the form. I'll just click on this publish option. And here we can find the link to share. So this particular link can be shared with your customers, or it can be embedded on a web page so that the form can be filled. So I'm just going to open this particular link in a new tab. And let us fill up the form details on the name of a customer. So I'm just giving the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. And let's add the mobile number. Okay, and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. So the form has been filled. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the form submission are captured over here. Okay, here we can find the form title as contact form. Here we can find the username, first name of the customer, last name, email address and phone number, and all other details are captured. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new person or a new contact should get created into your Encharge CRM account. For that, come to this action window. And here in the choose application, let us find Encharge. In the action event, we have to select add or update person. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And click on connect with Encharge. Now as I am already logged into my Encharge account, it is asking allow Pabbly Connect to access your account on Encharge. Let's click on allow. Authorization successful. And here the Encharge account is connected to Pabbly Connect. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Encharge account. Now here it is asking for the email address, first name, last name. So we have to map the details over here which we have already received through the form submission, the JotForm submission. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. Email address, let us find it from JotForm. Okay, this was the email address. Here we have to map the first name. Here we have to map the last name. Okay, and I'll be searching over here. That was Smith. Okay, here we have to map the full name. So let us map both of them all together. That is Adam as well as Smith. Okay, and we don't have all other details. So I'm just leaving it as blank. If you have captured all these details through form submission, you can add the company details, website details or the address details over here. Okay, now the phone number is required. Let us map the phone number. Okay, so we have mapped the details. We were having the first name, last name, email address and the phone number. So all the fields are mapped now. Let's scroll down. We don't have all these details, so I'm just leaving it as blank. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new contact named Adam Smith is created into our Encharge CRM account. Let's check it. So this is my Encharge CRM account and here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new person or a new people here in my Encharge CRM account. And in this way our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is working fine or not. For that, I'll just open the form in a new tab once again. And here we have to fill up the details on the name of some other customer. So I'm just going to give the name as Kavita Sharma. Let's give the email address as sharmak 12@gmail.com. And let's add the phone number. Let's click on submit. Okay, the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Encharge account. We have to refresh it. And here we can find the details of a new customer, Sharma K, 12@gmail.com. First name as Kavita, last name as Sharma, and the phone number. And in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. And the details of the JotForm submission of the customer are getting added to the Encharge CRM account automatically. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize the trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using the details of the customer, automatically a new person is added to your Encharge CRM account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between JotForm and Encharge CRM using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.